Nilip Congress candidate Samson Ingti intensifies election campaign. Minor girl brutally raped in 7th Mile area, culprit arrested. BJP office inaugurated in Rongjangpong and Umlapher. Good morning and welcome to KAL English Primetime News with Julie Baby. With few days left for the election campaigning, Nilip Congress candidate Samson Ingti contesting for the council polls in the district is leaving no stone unturned to reach out to maximum voters under his constituency. Here is a report. Urging people to support him, Ingti said that all if voted to power, he will bring change, all-round development in the constituency. He said that Congress will come back to power in the KAC to end the rule of the BJP. He promised to bring development in the constituency if he is elected.
Board committee office kampu asila wala mati long se kampu chenglo asila da kampu chenglo bangke try BJP pen NDF la pen ke EP Chelsea pen bangon bangsa armu la pen join.
On Thursday, several persons from the NDF and BJP marched with the Congress. The newcomers were welcomed and felicitated by the Congress candidate. The newcomers to the party say that they joined Congress because it is the only national party which had given preference to Nilip in the past, and that they are hopeful to see more developmental works under the party's government. Among the Congress leader present in the program were Koilamati Congress Committee President Harthang Teron, Secretary Sekendro Teron and others.
non duhu bangke Congress ai phansi pahaje phansi nitum kadu abi chingwai pensi pinike nitum Congress jon lok
lan bagan ke dam tang pen Congress along ke thik kare apta to ke seingo lan sum pin ke seingo lan dam pen pote lan an chak ding pen BJP government tum ke do pen lan dam pote nitum pin da koila mati along sane Congress ka wadani apna Pakistan pin tum thailong da bang kharap li ba pharang bang kharap thom se an Congress membership tonglo.
Sanjit Crow and Samson Ingti from Nilip, KAL Live. In a horrific incident, a minor girl was brutally raped by a laborer inside Sedeng Terang village, 7 Mile area under the Deepu police station. The girl is a student of Sedeng Terang English School, newly admitted in class 5. Here is a report. The entire scene was witnessed by 3 teachers who managed to save the victim from being murdered. According to the teachers, the crime took place at around 1:30 p.m. when the victim, who was returning home from school, was forcefully abducted and dragged to thick undergrowth where she was brutally raped and attacked. They also say that the culprit was trying to kill the girl when they spot after being alerted by the scream of the girl.
Ani tumbang rang long ke abi kopi si omedam narap thapu ke ni tumbang ke theklong ke hala mane kona si haren ma ko ke lulam ekdam isi ram do da mane ingram pe ka di medi la bab nim su lo di ya ti do ma ti la sarum long si aw su ke la dak sing ka pin su ka thak si to tan lo aman ke oh medam narap thapu oh medam jo ko mane manon ne ke chune lo jal he aman ke la su ba angol ke kat phitlo an ke la somni bang ke hedi kat phitlo ke pai tang jar jan ke rong so si ke nep long lo
rong so kan tu chi dia lo he la su da man nep du noi pia lo he ka chun nep lo noi ko lo man man thur pek ya lo he thur pek man ke la tum skin nep dunya lo la sum ni than bang ki
bang kwa lo chune bang
innovate se thek
ni tu ke invest thek lo la su sa tha ka do ta invest thek lo ta man iskar ke lum elo
man ya du ki hoi
pi kan o so ban la sanang o man ta kor et lo aji thokona dit elo.
Further, the three teachers told if they were not there at that time, the girl would have already been murdered. The brave school teachers then immediately alerted the villagers and caught the culprit who tried to flee the scene.
La sanang o man ta kor et lo aji thokona dit elo. La sana ja lo.
Nang hang lo lu tin na phana ma chi lo ji ba si ku ya lo ti pa pheri ther it ya lo su phan he.
The accused, later identified as Iqbal Hussain, was immediately taken into custody and is currently being kept at Deephu Police Station at the time of compiling this report. In this connection, case number 35/22 under section of 376 AB of the IPC and relevant section under POCSO Act has been registered with the Deephu Police Station here yesterday evening. Meanwhile, the incident has sent shock waves across the hill districts of Karbi Anglong, where crime against women and minor girls are rising. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. The BJP had on Friday inaugurated two party offices, one at Rongjangpong and the other at Umlapher. Here is a report. Intensifying the campaign programs, senior BJP leader and the incumbent KAC CM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang is visiting several constituencies. On Friday, he had reached out to Chinthang constituency and inaugurated two party offices for the constituency. While addressing the local public, Ronghang had urged them to cast their vote in favor of BJP candidate Abhijit Crow. He assured more development for the constituency if their candidate is voted to victory. The program was also attended by MP Horan Singh Bey, former MSA from Chinthong, Pradeep Rongpi, West Karbi Anglong Minority Board Chairman Richardson Hanse, KAC nominated MSA Chandra Bahadur Chetri, Chinthong BJP Mandal President Joy Singh Bongrong, Chinthong BJP Mandal General Secretary Rasing Ingti and several other leaders. Hemari Rongpar's report from Ulukunchi, Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.